Now let's solve for x here, given x equals to m to the power x. Now, situation like this, we have to bring this one down by taking log on both sides. So I'll take ln on both sides. Ln of x equals to ln of m to the power x. So this one is a power rule, which will be x ln of m ln of x. Now we have the x here, so let's divide both sides by x. We want x to align on one side, so we have this one. So ln of x on x. Okay. Now let's write the left hand side in a linear form. So 1 on a is the same as a to the power minus 1 in linear form. So we can say ln of x times x to the power minus 1 equals to ln of m. Now, before we can solve this one with ease, we need to apply Lambert W function. So when we have t times e raised to t, okay, when you take W function, the answer is t. It's very important. So we are going to introduce the e here, okay? But before that, let's understand that anytime e will raise ln of something, the answer is that. So we want to support this x here with this property. So what I will do is to write this one as ln of x times, instead of x to the power minus 1, I'll make it e raised to ln of x to the power minus 1. Remember that in going back, this one remains as that. So I've done nothing here. Okay. It's ln of m. So we have ln of x. This one is a power rule, the same as c minus ln of x equals to ln of m. Remember, we are working towards Lambert W function. What is here must be equal to what is there. Okay, so let's check. We have minus ln of x, and this side is positive. So what do? We have to balance it by, multiply negative on both sides. So make 1 on both sides. That will be minus ln of x times c equals to minus ln of m. So this one is the same as this. So we are free to go. So we can take W function on both sides. So we have that. So equals to W function. Okay. So remember the rule. This one is the same as that. So the answer on my left will be minus ln of x equals W function of. Now let's manipulate the sign, the negative here. So remember the rule. This one is a power rule, so which will come up here. So I will say ln of x to the power minus 1, the same as W function. Now let's do same to here. So the negative will move up there, m to the power minus 1. And this one is the same as ln of 1 on x, W function, ln of 1 on m. So that's that. Remember, we are after x, so we need to remove this ln. And the only way out is to raise both sides with e, because e raised to ln of x is x. So we have no option but to raise both sides. So side e, okay, which the answer for this one would be 1 over x equals to e raised to W function of ln of 1 on m. Okay, so my x, I want to take this one, x is the same as 1 on e raised to W function of ln of 1 over m. Okay, so that's that. All right. So subscribe for more exciting videos like this. All right.